Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to edit notification banner shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and you'll find here all of the available options. If you wanna add here some options or just remove some of them, or to change the positions of the icons here, you should tap to this edit swatches. And to add some options to your panel, you should hold the icon and drag it by this way. To remove some of them from here, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. To change the positions of the icons, if you want, you should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. If you want to reset all of the changes, click to reset, confirm your action, or just to save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.